In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your input device on Discord. If people can't hear you clearly in voice chats or Discord is picking up the wrong microphone, this quick walkthrough will get you sorted. We'll open the right settings, choose the correct mic, and make sure your volume and test playback are dialed in so your voice sounds the way you expect. Start by opening Discord and signing in. You can use the desktop app or a browser. Before you dive into settings, make sure the microphone you want to use is connected and recognized by your computer. If it's a USB mic or a headset, plug it in first so it appears in the list we're about to open. In Discord, look to the bottom left corner next to your username. Click the small gear icon labeled User Settings. This opens a panel with sections along the left side. In that left sidebar, scroll down to the App Settings section and click Voice and Video. This is where all your audio options live. At the top of the Voice and Video page, you'll see Input Device. This is the microphone Discord will listen to. Click the drop-down menu under Input Device. You should see a list of available microphones and headsets. Select the specific mic you want to use. If you're not sure which one is correct, look for the brand or model name that matches your device. Choosing precisely prevents Discord from switching to a laptop mic or a webcam mic by accident. You'll also see an option called Default. Selecting Default tells Discord to follow whatever your operating system has set as the default input. This is handy if you frequently switch devices at the system level and want Discord to track that change automatically. If you rarely change mics, picking the exact device is often more reliable. Right below that, adjust the input volume slider. Speak at your normal level and watch the input meter move. You want consistent movement without spiking into the very top. If the bar barely moves, raise the volume. If it hits the max and sounds harsh, lower it slightly. To confirm everything, use the Let's Check or Mic Test feature on this page. Click to start the test, say a few sentences, and listen to the playback. This helps you catch issues like low volume, background noise, or a muffled mic position. Use headphones during the test to avoid feedback and keep your output volume steady while testing. When you're happy with the results, close settings and jump into a voice channel. Your selected input device and volume will be saved, and you should be crystal clear to everyone in the call.